Okay, good morning guys. So we're back. Welcome back to Job Opportunity Worldwide. So ito na yung order natin from Michael Edward C. So ito yung ROG phone. Okay, so let's see. This is our ROG phone case. So nag-order tayo guys for our Huawei 6 2018 na model na phone kasi maganda itong seller na to. So ito yung last natin na current na cover sa phone natin, yung cars. We bought this for 150 including but this one is 130 guys. Kung gusto nyong ano tawag to? Phone case for other model pa na phone, meron din siya. So, share ko lang yung link later on. Okay, so that's it. Very affordable guys. Thank you for... May iba pa pala silang may iba pa pala silang design. So, thank you for watching. Okay guys, so ito na i-connect natin. I-try natin gamitin na. So, ito na siya guys. Public of Gamers ROG phone case. So, for Huawei 6. Wow. Yan. So, as you can see guys, ang pag-cut out niya, mayroon talaga siyang, may room for charging, no? So, dito sa side, mayroon din siya, may cut out din siya for the power and the volume here. And sa taas yung headphone jack niya, okay din. So, magagamit mo din siya, mayroon siyang space. Okay, so sa back naman, ang cutout niya talagang magagamit mo talaga yung camera. So very siya guys, very nice seller siya. I think gumagawa talaga sila ng phone case. So thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.